Okay guys, today I'm going to make my own polish. I am so excited. I've got this DRK Nails lab kit to where I can make my own polish, and I got this from the April PPU. So let's get started, and I will put a card of the haul in which I've got this and other great items that I wanted to share with you, but I'll have that in a card. I'm going to start off showing you these items that I do have. I'm going to mix them together with my little spatula here. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. And here's the little packet with which I had a time trying to open to get all the goodies out. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. I've got the holographic silver micro-flaky, magnetic white micro-flaky, glitters, aurora shimmer. Oh, y'all. And there's other shifting flakies. So I'm going to see how much I'm going to do. I'm going to do one full bottle. So that's going to be 15 milliliters. So that's what we're going to do today. I've got my suspension base here. All right. And I'm going to open this up and put some of these beautiful flakies that shift blue and purple and magenta. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is the little spoon that comes with the kit. I did speed this up a little bit, but look at that, y'all. Oh, I was so excited when I got this kit. I couldn't wait to play with it. And I think I'm going to be doing this a little bit more. I'm trying to get all I can off of my spoon. I don't want to waste any shimmer and flakies. Now I'm going to put that aurora shimmer in there. Oh, that's so pretty, y'all. So pretty. Oh, look at it. Coming to life. And y'all let me know if you have purchased a kit like this before, how you enjoyed it, or if you like doing this type of polish making, you know, if you like doing that sort of thing. I like doing DIYs. I really do. I really had a good time. I was like a kid in the candy store. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like content like this and like to see more, go ahead and click on that like button and also your notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Look at it, y'all. It's just coming to life. Look at that. I had so much fun making this polish. Isn't that pretty, y'all? So I'm going to pour it in. And it was so easy and simple to do. I had another bottle that I had cleaned off from another bottle. This bottle was just an old Wet n Wild bottle that I had. So I just cleaned it up and added it to, and cleaned it up, added that little ball in it. I see swiping it on my nail that I didn't have enough flaky, so I'm emptying it out again. I should have tested it on my nail before I put it in the bottle, but I wasn't thinking. So I decided to use my metal little spatula or spoony thingy here because I did crack the other one trying to clean it off. So I said this one would be better anyway to get those flakies out or glitters out because it's a little bit smaller and easier to clean. But I was glad that they gave us a spoon anyway. So like I said, I decided to add some more flakies. I needed some more flakies. I wanted to be not too jam-packed, but, you know, I wanted to display all the sparkle that this kit has. So here I decided to add some shimmer to it. Also the iridescent flakies to give it a little bit more shimmer and pop. You know I like bling. I like to bling it out, y'all. So right here it looks like it's enough for me, but the real test is actually when I put it on my nail. So I decided to go ahead and put some more on there just to see. So I keep stirring it and looking at it and adding some more flakies. I just wasn't satisfied, y'all. So I just kept adding and adding and adding till I got, you know, to where I was happy with the consistency and happy with how it looks. So I'm trying it again. Let's see. That's a bit better. I can see more of the flaky payoff, and once I put on more than one coat, it'll actually start to build up a little bit more. So now I'm putting it back into the bottle. So this is just a trial and error for me. Like I said, this is the first time I've done this. I've really had a great time doing it. And at the end of the video, you'll see some shots of a mani that I created with this polish on top of another polish. But look at there, y'all. I got my flaky polish. I think it's great. And I also put in the magnetic flaky. So y'all, thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed. I will see you in the next video. And remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear. Bye.